Harshini Jaitungar from the Department of Education, Central Province. Do you know how to write notices? It's a very simple task. Come, let's find out an easy way to write notices correctly. What is a notice? It's a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. Where can you see notices? You may have seen notices in schools, in government organizations, in public places like temples and supermarkets, and even on notice boards put up on roads. There are different types of notices. We can write a notice to inform about an upcoming event, about a competition, about a lost and found item, and also to give general instructions or general information. Let's identify the format of a notice. Normally, we write a notice inside a box. At the top of the notice, we write the name of the organization that issues the notice. Then, it is a must to write the title notice. Next, write a heading to introduce what the notice is about. Then the body of the notice, where you write all the important information about the event. On the bottom left-hand side of the notice, write the date that you issue the notice. And on the right-hand side of the notice, put the signature, name and the designation of the person issuing the notice. Let's look at an example of a notice. Here we are going to write a notice about a blood donation camp that will be held at your school. So, the name of the organization will be the name of the school. Then, the title notice should be written. Next, when you write the heading, it's better if you can write a catchy heading to get the attention of the reader. So rather than putting as a blood donation camp, we are going to write the heading as Donate Blood and Save Lives. Then the body of the notice. A blood donation camp organized by the Prefect Board of St. Anthony's Girls College will be held on 30th July 2020 from 9 am to 4 pm at the school main hall. This is organized to mark the 75th anniversary of the school. We expect your kind cooperation to make this event a success. For further information, contact Mrs. S. Kumari, 073 59 37 418. All are welcome. Then, write the date, put the signature, name and the designation. When you write the body of the notice, you need to follow 6 W's or 6 WH questions. Let's see whether we have followed all the 6 W's in our example. What? A blood donation camp. It says what the notice is about. Who? Organized by the Prefect Board. It says who is the organizer of the event. When? Held on 10th July 2020 from 9 am to 4 pm. It says when the event will be held. Both the date and the time is given here. Where? At the main hall. It says where the event is going to be held, the venue or the place of the event. Why? Organized to mark the 75th anniversary of the school. It says why they organized the event or what's the purpose of the event. Whom? Contact Mrs. S. Kumari, 073 59 37 418. It says the details of a contact person or whom to be contacted to get more information. This is not always necessary, but according to the notice you write, you may need to give the details of a contact person. All are welcome. Here it says about the targeted group for whom they have put up the notice. In the GCE O-Level first paper, you may find a question on notice writing under task number 6. 5 marks are allocated for the question. So let's try out a question on notice writing in the practice paper 1. Look at this question. Task 6. The Social Service Association of the school has planned to pay a visit to an elder's home, but it has to be postponed due to heavy rain. As the secretary of the Social Service Association, write the notice postponing the event. Use about 40 to 50 words. You can easily get some key points for your notice from the question itself. What are the key points you can find in here? The Social Services Association is the organizer. A visit to an elder's home, it is the event. Postponed due to heavy rain is the purpose of writing the notice. The secretary is the person who issues the notice. We can write a notice of postponement in 2 different ways. First, by giving the new date of the event. Let's see answer 1. The Social Services Association of Navodaya Central College. Notice, postponement of the visit to the elder's home. This is to inform that the visit to the elders' home, which was scheduled for 23rd of July 2020, has been postponed due to the bad weather condition. It will now be held on 1st of August 2020. All members are requested to be gathered near the school gate by 9 am on that day. 20th July 2020. Put the signature, then the name Pumi Pereira and the designation Secretary. And also, we can write the same notice without mentioning the new date of the event. Now let's see the body of the notice. Due to the prevailing bad weather condition, the visit to the elders' home, which was scheduled for 23rd July 2020, has been postponed until further notice. Once it has been rescheduled, you will be informed accordingly. And the date, signature, name and the designation is the same as the first one. You may have noticed that we have used passive voice to write these notices. Let's identify the passive voice structures you can use according to the type of the notice you have to write. When you write a notice about a future event, you have to use future passive. For example, you can use the structures like will be held, will be screened, will be conducted. If the notice is about a present event, you have to use present passive. For example, is held, are invited, has been organized. When the notice is about an event happened in the past, you have to use past passive. For example, had lost, was scheduled, had decided. I hope now you find it easy to write notices. Practice makes you perfect. Let's meet in another session on note writing. Thank you.